Hi YouTube, and welcome to another video. It's at the end of another profitable week for me, so the second profitable week in a row. Took more trades this week. Last week I took 4 trades, this week I took 11. This is how it went for me. You can see the profit, and if you hear my voice is a bit funny, I'm really congested and quite sick, so I'll make this pretty quick. Monday was these 2 trades here, loss, break even. Tuesday, loss, decent size trade to overcome the loss and end up profitable. And then Wednesday I overtraded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. And then Thursday and Friday I just took my positive risk, reward to risk ratio, high probability trades. And this is the sort of modus operandi that I was using last week, these last 2 trades, these last 2 days. I tried to push the boat out, it didn't make much difference. Actually degraded my edge, so I'm gonna have to just make do with these sort of gains and grind my way up. Eventually it will pay off. So $145.95 this week with, I believe it was 10 hours, 10.0166 or something like that, just over, in any case, just over 10 hours of work. So that puts me at about $14 per hour. Last week was $15 per hour, even though I made less, but I traded, I spent a lot less time at the station. So I'm thinking long term, 14 an hour today, $140 an hour next year. I'm just going to continue to grind it out. So let's look at the stats briefly, and then I will tack on the best trade of the week and the worst trade of the week in terms of emotional journey, the high and the low of the week, onto this video. So these are the stats. 1.6 profit factor, so that's healthy, that's good. $100 and some change drawdown. Excuse me. Here's the win rate, here's the reward to risk ratio, which is all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to get above 50% and get above 1 and work that edge, grind out that edge. So stay patient and stay above the 0 line. So I've achieved that. Best trade, worst trade. And I thought it would also be useful to add on last week's trade so we can see this new return to discipline, and trying to forget about hitting it out of the park and getting out of the drawdown. If I click generate now, you'll see 4 more trades added on. We had 11 before, now we've got 15. And so I've made, last week I traded 4 days, this week 5 days, 2 losing days, 7 winning days of similar magnitude, and I've ended up with $249.25 after commissions, and the commissions are higher, so that's decent. 15 trades, 250 in 9 trading days. If we were to project that out, the average trading month has about 21. Divide by that times by 24925, just to see, and that's pretty much $600 per month per contract. So that's not bad, risking 45 to 55 per trade. 10 hour a month is not terrible. In fact, it's excellent because most people can't do that. So I've just got to be content with that kind of thing. The profit factor goes up to 1.86 if we include all the trades of the last 2 weeks. Win rate 60%, 1.24 to 1 reward to risk, and everything looks cool. So it's just a case of staying patient and doing more of the same, really. So that said, I will put on those 2 videos, the best trade and the worst trade. I just wanted to mention that I did have long here, but as I had already finished for the day, and this is as I'm sitting here, I was waiting for a call on Skype, and I've seen this 51 long. I would have been out about 58 or 57, probably 50, worst case scenario 57 for $60. Target was up here, but that's after 10 o'clock, so I wouldn't have kept that. And then we had 6D, which I wanted long from 93, target 04, couldn't have got up there anyway because time would have ran out. And finally I had 6C, which was going to be long from 53 here, and I would have taken it off at 60.5 for $75 gross, or about just over $70, $70.20 net would have been the score there. But I stuck to my guns, didn't take the trade. Of course, I would have loved to put that $70 into my account, and the $60 on 6A, but that would go outside of my rules. I'm going to save it for Monday, come back again and repeat the process. It's going to take a shitload of time to get there, but I'm going to stick with this discipline. As someone said to me on Skype, a fellow trader who I keep in contact with, it's about the long term, and funds will love this. Low drawdown, nice steady grind up. That's what we want to do. Control risk, let the reward come in time. So I'll end it here and stitch on those 2 videos. Take care, thanks for watching, and bye for now.